Hello, Albert Duno here. Welcome to the fifth session of our Empowering Educators Bootcamp. A bootcamp organized by STEMpedia, an international AI, Python, and robotics bootcamp. In our fifth session of the bootcamp, we learned about AI-powered human detection. In this activity, we built a game that was AI powered, that used an AI powered human detection technology to move the elements in the game. In this game, we have our sprites. We use a Flappy Bird sprite, which was imported externally since it doesn't come as part of the Pictoblox platform. We used a pipe which we duplicated 3 times, then a line in our game. In our game, we defined our sprite, which is the Flappy Bird. Then we defined its X and Y position once the game starts. And the X and Y coordinate, the X, we want it to be at -213 and the Y 20. So anytime the game starts, the sprite Flappy Bird will be at these coordinates. Now we import our human body detection extension using this code hand equals postnet. Then we now turn on our video using hand.video, and we reduce the opacity or the transparency to 60. Then we now also import our enable box extension so that we can have this box around the particular hand that will be using in control, that will be detected by the AI. Then we used a while loop where we stated that our code should analyze our hand in the stage, and if the hand is detected, then it should set the position. It should get the hand position. We have 1 8 here. The 1 states the X coordinate, and the 8 states the position, which is the index, the top of the index finger. Then you should also set the Y coordinate. You should get the position, and the 2 here stands for the Y coordinate, and 8 also, you should get the position of the top index finger. Now don't forget that when it comes to human body detection, it uses some landscapes or some points on the hand to determine the position. So if we say get position and we define the position to be 8, meaning that is the number of the particular landmark that is being used. Then we created these pipes in the game, and we wrote some codes to determine how the pipes should operate. First, we imported a time extension, which we used later here to determine how long our code should pause before it continues running again. So we define a function exactly how we want our pipes to behave. So we are saying that it should go to XY coordinate -62 and -167. That should be the initial height, and it should sleep. Well, it should sleep for 1 second, and after that, it should change to this coordinate. And we state that here, so meaning this is going to continue happening. And we have 3 pipes. Each pipe have their own code depending on their position. Then we now state a while loop saying that if our Flappy Bird here touches our pipe here, then our sprite should say game over for 5 seconds, and our code should break. Then it should move. So that is what we've stated here. Then we have this red line at the end of the game here. We have this red line at the end of the game here, which signifies that you have won the game. So we've imported our a postnet extension, since we are dealing with body detection, and we are using a while loop, and we are saying if our sprite touches the Flappy Bird. So if our sprite touches the Flappy Bird, the video should go off, and our sprite should say you've won for 3 seconds, and the code should break. So I'm going to run the code and let's see how this game works. Now note, all these sprites have their own code. So in running the code, we don't just run. If I'm running for only that particular sprite. So you run all to run the whole code. So let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see our video have been turned on. So now if I bring my hand, you can see my hand have been detected. You can see the box around my hand. So I can now move my Flappy Bird with my hand, okay, through the pipes. And don't forget, once I touch the pipe, the game is over. So I have to be very careful. Okay. So let's see if I can win this game. I'm getting my point. Okay, game over. It's quite difficult for me because my machine is running slow. Okay, another game over. Okay, it's actually being difficult for me to win this game. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's it. You can see that wherever my hand goes, the Flappy Bird follows. So I could drag straight to my red bar. Okay. So basically that is it. That is what this game is all about. Thank you.